Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung sitwasyon ninyo 1 year from now, from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na ito, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's see. Kumusta ka 1 year from now? Kumusta ang mga Aquarius 1 year from now? Owl. Boy, this is clarity and wisdom. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring 1 year from now, meron kayong pag-aaralan or you are more wiser kasi marami kayong naging experiences na, and through those experiences, marami kang natutunan. So, yung iba, may pag-aaralan, pwedeng babalik kayo sa school, or meron kayong mga short courses na pag-aaralan that will definitely improve your life, no? And I also feel that you're going to be more intuitive, no? Mas magiging malakas ang iyong instinct, ang iyong intuition. That will really help you in making decisions. Let's see what else. You have Peacock. Ayan. So, itong peacock is about being aware of your situation. So, maari ring, this is transmutation kasi pagko-convert ng isang energy to another energy. So, maaring magkakaroon ka ng kakayanan na i-absorb yung mga bagay sa paligid mo, and at the same time, convert it into a positive one. No? Let's say, meron kang experience na very challenging, pero instead na yun yung magpabagsak sa'yo, yun pa yung mas nagpalakas sa'yo. Kasi kaya mong i-transmute yung negative energy na yun, ng challenge na yun, into something better, into something positive, which is yung strength, no? Oo. And also, this is about freedom. So, maaring you will free yourself from a situation na hindi na in alignment of your goals and your dreams, no? Let's see what else. You have praying mantis, meditation, internal wisdom. So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo Aquarius, mas lalo kayo magiging spiritual. So, if you're a type of person na hindi ganun ka-connected sa yung higher self, sa yung spirituality, 1 year from now, you will learn a lot, no? Maaring meron kang mga magiging mentor or pwedeng self-study, meron kang i-explore na belief system or pwedeng religion or anything that will strengthen your spiritual connection to the Creator, no? I feel like you will be more highly intuitive, no? 1 year from now, which is going to be a blessing para sa'yo dahil for someone na malakas yung instinct niya, no? Kayang-kaya niyang proteksyonan yung sarili niya, and in terms of making decisions, mas nagiging napapabuti yung situation niya kasi alam niya kung ano yung best para sa kanya. Okay? Let's see, ano pa. Pwede rin kayong may involve sa yung mga meditation activities that will really cleanses your energy. What is your overall energy 1 year from now, mga Aquarius? 1 year from now. Wow, the Empress. Ikaw ay magiging active. Maaring mas magpo-focus ka sa abundance mo, sa fertility mo, sa productivity mo. So, kind of going to be very busy. And yung pagiging busy mo, meron itong blessings na katapat, no? You will be rewarded dun sa mga efforts na binibigay mo. Yung iba, if you want to have a baby, so pwedeng 1 year from now, you'll have your own baby, or merong pregnancy, no, in the family. And I also see you na mas magiging creative. So, pwedeng meron ka mga explore na mga creative talents and skills mo. This is also taking care of yourself. So, maaring you will also practice more of self-love, self-care, ganyan. You'll treat yourself. Let's see your possible challenge. The Seven of Swords. Okay, so isa sa challenge na maaring ma-experience mo 1 year from now is betrayal from someone. Pwedeng meron kang taong pinagkakatiwalaan, tapos ito pala, merong ginagawang kalokohan behind your back. So that's why you really need to protect yourself and be more careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Whether this is sa pera or sa relationship. Yeah, kasi meron ditong liar, cheater energy na pwede mong ma-experience 1 year from now. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. You have the Two of Wands. So, this is about choices. Meron kang opportunity na pumili kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. Whether this is a relationship, sa career, or sa business mo, sa trabaho mo. And some of you, maaring may opportunity to work abroad, to travel abroad, or to relocate, no? Lilipat ng trabaho. Or house relocation. Lilipat ng bahay. Let's see your blessing. What's the blessing? The Strength card. You will be blessed with great courage, lakas ng loob. Ano man tong challenge na ma-experience mo 1 year from now, you will remain standing. Kumbaga, hindi ka matitinag dito sa may experience mong challenge. Kumbaga, kaya mong i-handle. Kayang-kaya mong i-handle to. So, you don't have to worry about that as long as you believe in yourself, no? At I think kasi mas mahaba na rin yung patience mo at mas practical ka na rin. Madali ka ng kausap, hindi mo ipipilit yung mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. Okay? Stay low-key as you get the job done. Yes. So, medyo magiging tahimik ka rin sa pag-abot ng iyong mga pangarap na manggugulat ka na lang sa iba na, oops, ito na pala, na-achieve mo. This is also being more patient, no? Slow and steady wins the race. Kumbaga, may mga itatanim ka at willing ka na maghintay para makita yung resulta ng mga itinanim mo sa career mo, sa business mo. O, 'di ba? Speaking of willing ka maghintay, you have the Seven of Pentacles. But this also guarantees na kung magiging patient ka and you will do your job, gagawin mo yung nire-require para makuha mo yung resulta, then definitely positive results ang makukuha mo, no? You also have the Queen of Wands, so this is about being more confident sa sarili mo, being more creative, so pwedeng may mga gagawin ka na can be a business, career project sa career mo na magagamit mo yung talents and skills mo. Okay? This is also about fame. So, pwedeng 1 year from now, you will gain more followers, you will gain more viewers, no? Lalo na if you are in public eye or you are yes, you are in the public eye or you are nasa social media. Okay? Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Aquarius. Get to know. Uy, parang merong new person, ha? Oo, you will get to know someone romantically. Pwedeng merong tao na gusto kang makilala, mas makasama. And I think, medyo unconventional tong relationship or tong connection na to. But I think you're going to be more open-minded. Yes, with the Justice card. For you, importante yung pagiging totoo ng isang tao. Maaring you will explore a lot of things with this person. Maaring you will be traveling more often with this person. Maraming adventures together with this person kasi gusto mong mas makilala tong taong to. And sabi nga nila, kung gusto mong meron kang makilala na mas malalim is travel with that person. Kasi lalabas at lalabas yung totoo nila. Okay? Conserve your energy and reap bountiful rewards. Yes. So, ito yung pagpe-preserve mo ng energy mo na alam mo kung saan mo gagamitin yon, kung saan ka mas magbe-benefit or saan ka mas uunlad, saan mas kapaki-pakinabang yung energy mo. So, hindi ka magsasayang ng oras at panahon sa mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. You want to use your energy sa mga productive things 1 year from now. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.